Hello guys, welcome another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade again in British pound versus US dollars. This is our second part. We got a good profit in the video of the first part. We are once again applying for buying trade because it has created a good buying opportunity. I am applying trade by increasing lot size because our account has become bigger than before. See you in a while. Guys, we have entered the market where we can see profit now and sometimes loss. Now let me explain to you why we have placed buying trade now and why not before, so that you will get an idea from where the market will reverse. For this we will create a trend channel. Market is following this trend line right now as we are getting perfect higher low point. This trend line of ours is connecting all the points very well. The second trend line will also be drawn at the higher high point with the same angle, from which we will get resistance points. We can also calculate the target from this trend line, from where the market can reverse towards the downside. We have connected all the trend lines due to which our gun strategy is also being applied here. Always trade by combining two strategies so your chances of going into trade profit will be high. Here we will draw another support resistance level that is important to us. The market has created strong support resistance points at this level, where the market first took resistance and later broke it to support. Market can go above this level, because the market has taken support from this level as well as the trend line. From here we can catch a good move. We remove the topmost rectangle level because there is no work of this level anymore. Now let me tell you the further analysis which gives us a good buying signal. For this I am drawing pattern with arrow line so that you will understand better. We are getting confirmation from this pattern that the market will go up. We've got a head and shoulder pattern here which is a reversal pattern. This pattern looks great if you look at it on the 4-hour time frame. You also analyze it from different angles so that you get high probability signal. Here I am applying more trades because the market is stuck at the right place. We can get good profit here. I am applying according to my risk. In this trade you also take your risk with you so that you know your losses in advance. Guys, my stop loss will be below 34 pips, which is below the trend line and strong support resistance level. If the market doesn't go up, our stop loss will be hit with trend line breakout, and my target point would be 68 pips up where the market will make a new higher high. Let's put it in the system now. Guys, our losses are running above $500. This account of ours is of $3,568, which will grow with good analysis. Guys, our loss has increased from $500 to $800. We will not close the trade until our stop loss or target point is hit. We have corrected the analysis. Now let's leave the further work on the market. Let's see how the market pattern is formed here. The market always repeats the same patterns over and over again. That's why I take you trades many times with the same strategy in the video as well, from which we get good results. Let's meet guys till the next move. Till then, enjoy the video. If you like the video, then like it.
I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's go!
that you would wanna
A few moments later.
Guys, with full patience we have hit the target earlier. Market gave trendline breakout here, but we stuck to our trade because here the trendline breakout was caused by an event whose we have not got to see the big event impact. Strong trend uptrend was going on here, which we expected the market to go up from here because it was a fake breakout. We would have closed the trade if the market had gone down after the breakout. Here we have got very good profit, which you will find out later. Let's close the trade now. Our goal has been achieved. Now no matter how high the market goes, we do not care about it. Guys, our profit is running above $7,600. This account was worth $1,760 if you have seen in the previous video. Now this account has increased from $1,760 to more than $11,000, which we have grown only on the basis of price action. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.